Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study computer science. To excel, begin by grasping fundamental programming concepts such as data structures and algorithms. Python programming is a core component, so dedicate significant time to mastering it. Consistent practice is key. Aim to write code daily for at least 1 hour. This hands-on approach will solidify your understanding and sharpen your problem-solving abilities, preparing you thoroughly for your examinations. Next, it's crucial to thoroughly understand your computer science syllabus. This will guide your study plan and highlight important topics. Use insert textbooks as your primary resource for theoretical concepts. They provide a strong foundation. Supplement these with online platforms and reference books for a wider range of practice questions. Engaging with diverse materials will deepen your knowledge and prepare you for various question types. Practical application is paramount in computer science. Aim to dedicate at least 2 hours daily to hands-on coding practice. This consistent effort builds proficiency. Work on small projects to apply your theoretical knowledge in real-world scenarios, reinforcing what you've learned. Additionally, solving previous year's question papers is invaluable. It helps you understand exam patterns, common question types, and time management strategies for optimal performance. Finally, effective revision and exam strategy are vital. Create concise notes for quick review of key definitions, syntax, and important concepts. Regularly review all topics, paying special attention to those with higher weightage in the examination. During the exam, manage your time effectively to ensure you attempt all questions thoroughly. A well-structured revision plan and smart exam approach will significantly boost your chances of success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.